Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Yahoo Mail on MacBook. Easy access step by step clearly. To log into Yahoo Mail on your MacBook, start by opening your preferred web browser. Click on the browser icon located on your dock. In the address bar at the top, type in mail.yahoo.com and press enter. Wait for the Yahoo Mail login page to load completely. On the login page, you will see two fields for your account information. In the first field, enter your Yahoo email address. After entering your email, click on the Next button. You will be directed to the password entry page. In the password field, type in your Yahoo mailbox password. Make sure there are no typos, as passwords are case sensitive. Once you have entered your password, click on the Sign In button. If you have enabled the Stay Signed In option, you will be logged in automatically during your next visit. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your Yahoo Mail inbox. You can now access your emails, compose new messages, and manage your account settings. Enjoy using Yahoo Mail on your MacBook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.